I saved. May you know how much I saved with the Itera Care one? I saved 2 million. I was able to climb the stairs. Amazing because the X-ray showed degenerative changes, which comes with aging. And it was December 2022 when a friend of mine sold to me the Red Classic. And at that time, I didn't have any serious health concerns. You know, I did not open the box for 3 months. I was just too busy. And finally, March 2023, I had joint pains. It just happened quite suddenly. I could not climb the second floor of my house, and we just moved in a year earlier. And I had a friend, Elizabeth and Ramon, this couple who encouraged me to use the wand, and also my upline, Larissa. Elizabeth had goiter, and which was reduced in size. I saw it personally with the use of Itera Care, while the husband had Parkinson's disease for 5 years. And after just 2 months of use with the classic wand, his tremors, lessened, and he had enough energy to drive every day. His speech was restored gradually over several months. So I was amazed, and so I said, I have to try this on my knees. No, but before I used the wand, I called an architect and asked her, please examine our house, show me where I can install an elevator, because I need to go up to the second floor of my house. That was before I used the wand. My husband did not approve because, our driveway would be reduced in the width and, all that. So I said, I have to heal myself. And with the testimony of Elizabeth and Ramon Tintiman, I started using the wand. And, it took about 2 months. There was some improvement, and gradually I was able to climb the stairs. I saved. May you know how much I saved with the Itera Care one? I saved 2 million.